Hey guys, this is Vaibhav and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we have Oppo Reno 8T. This is the device and we are going to unboxing this device and explain you the few features of this device and the specification. So let's unboxing the same. So we can break the seal. So let's see what we can get in the device. The plastic that we have kept aside. Yeah. So this is the box. It is showing Oppo Reno branding. If you open this, you'll get it. This is a cover. This is a good quality cover, I would say. These are the few safety guides and the quick guide. This is the SIM ejector pin we have. And this is a cover. It's a good quality case. Basically, it fits snugly to the device. Yep. This is the phone we have. Let's keep this aside. This is 80-watt charger, but this would provide a support to till 67 watt. This is a type C cable we have. So now we keep this aside and let's see about the quick chat about this device. So I am opening this. Yep. This look very nice. This is basically the goldish color, basically golden white color we have with the Oppo branding in the bottom. And when we talk about this device, it's total 6.7 inches screen. Okay, and it's basically the curved screen we can see here. And let's talk about the camera module. This is a 108 megapixel front rear camera, and this is two different additional cameras there, like a 2 megapixel is a ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro lens. When you talk about the front side, we have a 32 megapixel camera we can see here. Okay, and this device is look like a very stylish device here. Okay, so these are the ports and the buttons. Volume rocker key. On the bottom we can see the ports and the button. This is type C cable, type C port. This is a speaker grill. Yep. And as per the performance base we can talk. So this device is run through the Snapdragon 695 processor with 6nm processor we have. And this device is basically having a 120 Hz of refresh rate. Okay, though that is, and the screen is basically, we can see it's a Super AMOLED screen. So whatever the browsing related features you can scroll, you will get it a very smooth experience. So this device is also support the multiple 5G band. You will get almost 13 5G band support for this particular device. So this is the first impression of this device. It's basically a good, if you see as per the holding purpose, it is very firmly hold you can this particular device, and if you apply that screen cover here, it fits snugly, and it's a good case, I would say. If you see here, it's a good stylish device you can bought, and the costing of this device is basically 30,000. This is basically 8 GB and the 128 GB variant we have. And yeah, that's it. So this is the quick unboxing and the first impression of the Oppo Reno 8 5G device. So that's it from my end. Keep watching, subscribe my YouTube channel for more techie related video and the content. Thanks for watching this video.